dog. Your mom looks like a dog.
Abby, what do you do when Daddy's on his computer?
Let's go tell Daddy to stop working. Come on.
Wait, no. 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 No.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Am walking you or you walking me?
You look like a potato.
You say hello.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
You're not getting dinner. You're bad.
I gotta tell you something. You six? Good. You adopted.
I swear to God, if you step on my hair one time, I'm gonna yeet you down that hallway.